and welcome to part 2 of my 4x4 Rubik's Cube tutorial. Next thing we are that you want next thing that you're going to want to do is pair up the edges. What I mean by that is like this. These two edges are matching each other. So what you're going to want to do is what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find an edge to pair up, like if you can't find any edges to pair, then rotate one of them over like that, 180 degrees, and then move this piece to there, like this. Then move it up, swap it with an unpaired edge, or you can go down, whichever way you prefer. So I'm going to go down, or you can, and then I just pick a piece to swap out, and then I move back up, and I move it, I go forward again. I have another matched edge, so I replace it with an unpaired edge again. Centers are screwed up. So we want, of course, as usual, we want to move it back up again. And then move it back down again. If you have no new paired edges, just continue going on back until you have the centers all solved again. This doesn't screw up the orientation either. And you continue to do that process until you have all the edges paired together. Then you can see. So just keep on repeating this process. If you have no unmatched pair, okay. If you have no unmatched pairs on the top, then you put an unmatched pair up there. There has to be an unmatched pair. So just gonna do this again. And after you get have most of the edges solved, you can just move it back. Doesn't matter when you stop, really. Now, sometimes you might have two unpaired edges or two edge pieces that have swapped places. There's an algorithm for that. That algorithm is to B with B 2 layers. B both B with both using both layers, bottom, inner and outer. Clock. Front outer. Wait, no wait. Left outer side. Front side front side prime counterclockwise. Top side top side L counterclockwise. F front clockwise. Bottom inner and outer layer counterclockwise. So you check to make sure you have all the edges solved, and if you do, then you can go on to part 2. Bye.